In this lesson, we will be implementing a SQL helper so that it can be easier to work with our Postgres database. So the thing with using this is that you have to remember to connect to the client and then close the client every time after using it. And if you forget, then you can end up with connection leaks. So we're going to create function. So it's going to be an async function, and we're going to call it SQL, and it's going to take a SQL string as a parameter, and also a values array. So that will be optional, but it will be an array of any type, and we're going to initialize a client here by calling our get client function above, and then we're going to connect to our database, and then we will execute our query like this, and then we'll pass the values in, and then we'll close the connection, and then in the end we'll return the results. So I'm going to hit save. And actually, one more thing, let's add a type, a return type here, and the return type should be a promise of result any. So and then I think I have to, I'll do a control dot, and then I can update import from PG. So that imports it like this. So this is our helper function that we will be using for most of our server actions and API routes. So this is good for running small number of queries, but if you have complicated transactions to handle, then you should use this one. But for simple queries, this is much easier to use. So hit save, and then I will see you in the next lesson.